Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss about BOM, that is bill of materials. Okay, so in our discrete manufacturing we use BOM. So why do we use BOM? So in order to create any product we require certain ingredient, raw material or different kind of components. Okay, so BOM help us in this way. So for example, let's say if you want to manufacture a mobile phone, okay, you need certain, I can say you need screen, right? You need batteries, right? Batteries, you need etc etc other things, for example your motherboard and your IC integrated chips etc etc, okay, or maybe a charger and all. So when you combine all this raw material, then only your real product form, that is mobile phone. So all these are bill of materials. Okay, so you need all these materials in order to produce or manufacture a mobile phone. So it is a part of discrete manufacturing. Okay, so let's see how we can create a BOM. Okay, so the first thing is that as we are going to create a cell phone, so instead of cell phone I will say that, so I will go to my release product information management, release product. So assume I want to create a high quality speaker. Okay, I will click on new. Here I can select for my high quality speaker red. Okay, let me do one thing here. We'll add here SC so that I can differentiate this, or maybe let it be. Alright guys, so this is completed. I can select my item model group, and my item group is audio because I'm creating the speakers, and my storage dimension group, and my tracking dimension group, let me select it as none. Okay, I will simply go ahead and will click OK. Okay, now this product should be created in a second. Okay, here my product is ready. I can click on this manage inventory here. Here I have various options. I will click on my default order settings here. Alright, so here if you see your default order type is production, production, like you need to select it to production because you are going to manufacturing, right? You are going to use this in manufacturing. Okay, and further other things are fine. You can even default your site and warehouse as well, and I will go back. I can go to my engineer tab. Okay, and I can, if you can see, I have this option. Okay, BOM version, activate BOM version, designer, and etc. I'll click on my this designer tab here, sorry, designer button. So I will select my BOM, and here I will click on my create version. Okay, I will give a name. I will say this as my high quality speaker rose wood. Alright, and I will click on this copy button. I will select my site and I will click OK. Okay, home speaker production. Alright, then here we have the option, okay, to copy. So we have a similar product, that is D0004, this one. Okay, high-end speaker. So we are going to copy it from here. Okay, and here you see all the information related to that item would be populated here. So what is its BOM, etc etc. I will click OK. Okay, and now here if you see, in order to produce this high quality speaker we need all these components. We need wiring, tweeter speaker, mid-range speaker unit, front grill, crossover, protective corners, high-end cabinet. Assume that I want to remove this high-end cabinet from here. Okay, So here I can click on my BOM lines and I can delete. Okay, assume I want to remove this. Okay, now if you see our BOM version, we have changed it. Okay, now here let us assume before this one we want to add something. Okay, so click on this add before line. Let's say we want to add a different component here. So for example, I will search for my this item M0008 because we are going to create a speaker related to our rosewood. Okay, and here we'll specifically I think creating the red one, but assume that we are going to select this one and I will click OK. Alright, okay, then here I will click on, let me save this. Alright, let me save it again. Alright, now I can go back here. Let me again click on my BOM version. Okay, and here I can basically approve and activate this. I will say yeah, please approve this. Okay, bill of materials cannot be approved. 1 second here. I'll open this. I will approve it from here. I will click OK. Right, I will come back. Now I'll try to approve it now, and I will activate this. Okay, now this is how you can create your BOM. Let's say if you want to do some kind of modification, so you can do it. For example, let's say that you want to remove this product. Okay, you can again click on this your BOM and BOM version. Let's say remove M0008. Okay, you can copy it, select your site, click OK. Okay, and here you will again see all the data. Okay, simply click OK. Alright, you want to remove this M008, so go ahead here and delete this. Yes. Okay, and this looks good, so you can approve this. Click OK, come back. Okay, now what you need to do is first of all you need to deactivate your older version. So let's say you select previous date. I will save this. Okay, now I will go back here. You can simply activate your this version now. Okay, so for example removing this one, so you can say that you are all good and you can approve this and you can activate your this BOM version. Okay, okay, date interval quantity. All right, so let me select the today's date. Now it should not cause issues. I'm going to activate this. If you see, this BOM version is activated now. Thank you for watching this video.